Dear friends, today I am here with a very interesting topic, that is huddle race. So come, let us know what actual is a huddle race. Now, as we know that in huddle races, an athlete has to run over a series of obstacles which are called hurdles. And these hurdles are kept in a fixed distance. The distance are fixed and it is well decided where the hurdles are going to be placed. So let us know other things about the hurdles. As you can see in this picture that there is a hurdle and as we know that it is made up of metal or some suitable materials. It can be made up of steel or aluminum, etc. And the top bar, the white bar which you are seeing in this picture, is made up of wood, or it can be also made up of plastic or a fiber which is suitable. Dear friends, let us know about the dimension of the hut. Now, as we see that in this picture, there is a upper part which I already told you that this is made of wood. This white upper part, if you see the length of this part, that is 1.18 meters to 1.20 meters. As we know that the width of the lane in a standard track is 1.22 meters. That's why the length of this upper part is kept till 1.20 meter only. Otherwise, if we keep this part little longer, then this part will definitely touch the hurdles of other lanes. That's why the length of this white wooden part is 1.1 meters to 1.20 meters. As you can see, the two black spots in this white wooden part, the length from the outer edge to the to this black part is 22.5 centimeters, or as you can see in this picture, it is written that it is 0.225 meters. And the support part, which is in the lower part of the hurdle, it is of 70 centimeters. And the this wooden part, the upper wooden part, which is of white color, if you see the width of this part, it is 7 centimeters. Now, as you can see in this picture, the thickness of this wooden part is 1 centimeter to 2.5 centimeters, and the upper part is the upper edge of this wooden part is rounded, because if it is not rounded, it will have the sharp corner and it can injure the athlete. That's why this upper part is made rounded, so that the athlete doesn't get any injury from this part. And the weight of the hurdles should not be less than 10 kg. So I hope it is clear that what are the dimensions of the hurdles. Now let's move forward. So these hurdles are designed in such a way that if a horizontal force of 3.6 kg is applied on the upper part of the hurdle, then this hurdle will tilt. It will not tilt until and unless the force is having the weight of 3.6 kg. So by this you must be clear that this hurdles requires at least the weight of 3.6 kg to be tilted. Otherwise it will not tilt. The four major events, which are in the category of men, it is 110-meter hurdles and 400-meter hurdles. And as far as women category is concerned, in their category, It is 100-meter hurdles and 400-meter hurdles as well. So there are four major events. In men category, two events, 110-meter hurdles and 400-meter hurdles. And in women category, it is 100-meter hurdles and 400-meter hurdles. Now, as we know that the hurdle races are run in the own lane. The athlete is going to be allotted their lanes and they have to keep themselves in their respective lanes. So, it is mandatory for them to start with blocks. And the type of start which we use is crouch start. And the commands which are given to start these races are on your marks, set, and gunfire. So these are the three commands which are given to start the hurdle races. Now, let us know about the 110-meter hurdle for men. The number of flights or hurdles which an athlete has to cross or go over during the race is 10. They have to pass 10 hurdles. Then only they will reach the finish line. And the height of the hurdles in 110-meter hurdle race is 1.067 meters. This event is conducted for men category and the height of the hurdle will be 1.067 meters. Now, as far as distance, as I said in the beginning, that the hurdles are placed in a fixed distance. It is already decided, pre-decided distance. So, this distance are from the start line to the first hurdle is 13.72 meters. Dear friends, I am talking about 110 meters hurdles for men. So the distance from start line to the first hurdle is 13.72 meters. Now, the distance between hurdles, as we know that the athlete has to go over 10 hurdles. So in a very fixed distance, fixed space, these hurdles are placed. So the distance between hurdles is fixed and it is 9.14 meter. From first hurdle to the second hurdle, from second hurdle to the third hurdle and so on, it is 9.14 meter till the 10th hurdle. Now, from the last hurdle, the 10th hurdle to the finish line, the distance is 14.02 meters. Mind it, it is 14.02 meters from the last hurdle to the finish line. Now, let us talk about 100 meters hurdle, which is for women category. Now, as far as flights are concerned, it is also safe. Women athlete has to go over 10 hurdles. Every athlete will be going over the 10 hurdles and then only they will move to the finish line. And as far as the height of the hurdle is concerned, for women category, it is 0.838 meters. As we know, in the men category, it was 1.067 meter and in the women category, it is 0.838 meters. Now, as we know that the spacing will be different because in the men category it was 110-meter hurdles, but in the women category the distance of the race is 100 meters. So the distance will be different. The hurdles will be placed in the different distance as comparison to the male event. Here the distance of first hurdle from the start line will be 13 meters, and in between hurdles the distance will be 8.50 meters. Though, so the gap between the two hurdles will be 8.50 meters, and from last hurdle to the finish line it will be 10.50 meters. Now let us know about 400-meter hurdles. This 400-meter hurdle is conducted in both the category, that is men as well as women. Now the number of flights will be same. The athlete is going to run over 10 hurdles. He will be given 10 hurdles in his lane, and he has to go over those 10 hurdles. And as far as men category is concerned, the height of the hurdle is 0.914 meters. It is 0.914 meters. And for women category, the number of hurdle will be same. The number of hurdle will be same. It is 10, and the height of the hurdle will be 0.762 meters. So here lies the difference. In men category it is 0.914 meters, and in women category it is 0.762 meters. Now the spacing of hurdles. The spacing of hurdles will be same in men and women category because the distance of the race is same. It is 400 meters. So from the start to the first hurdle it is 45 meters. In between the hurdle the space is 35 meters, and from last hurdles to the finish line it is 40 meters. It is same in men as well as women category. Dear friends, I hope you got a valuable information from my video. Now, in the coming video, in my next video, I am going to discuss about the rules and how a hurdle race is conducted, and about the rules which an athlete and hurdler has to follow to participate in this hurdle race. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.